Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please click the closed caption caps for subtitles. Okay, uh, Desert Moon by Dennis DeYoung. I'll play it first. Is this the journey to desert moon? What's all she said? But I knew I heard the stranger's voice before. I turned to look into her eyes, but she moved away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They say first love never ends. The waiter goes. Okay, let's go back to intro. And the chords B minor, G, A, twice. Okay, so picking for D, bass, first and second string, third string, second string. Put your pinky on the first string, third fret, and then slide to fifth fret. So that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's. And then go to B minor, bass, first and second string, third string. Take off your middle finger to make it B sustained. Okay, so put it back, and then first fret, first string, second fret. So that's also 5. 1, 2, 3. Put it back. 4, 5. First string. Now for G, bass, first and second string, hammer on the third fret of second string, and then open second string, second fret, third fret, and then open first string. Okay, so that's also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then A. Bass, first and second string, third string, second string, slide to third fret, second string, open first string. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 also. Okay, and then you repeat D, B minor, same, and then G. It's quite different. So for G, bass, first and second string, and then put your pinky on the third fret on second string, pinch again, pull off, and then open second string, third fret, second string, and then second fret, first string, and then open, and then A. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so and then A. Once only, strum down, and then you and then you go up here on the 5th fret of D, 5th fret, strum down twice, and then thrice. So that's 2 times on the first time, and then 3 times on the third, on the first, second, and fourth. Okay, so that's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now we go to our first verse. The strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Is this the desert moon? What's all she said? But I knew I heard the stranger's voice before. So that's D and D minor 9. Down, 2 downs, and then up. Take up your middle finger, down, up. So 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then you repeat it. And then I turned to look into her eyes, but she moved away. She was standing in the rain. So that's the B minor. 2 downs, she was, and then D 2 times down, and then E, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So she was standing in the rain, and then 2 downs again for E minor, and then E, 2 downs, and then C. My name, there's a first love, never runs dry. Okay, that's our first verse. Second verse is almost the same except for E7. Anyway, this is the only one on the E7 of the second line. Okay, I'll play it. The weight of love, our memories into tiny clouds. We stumble over words we belong to thee. We talk about the dreams we have lost or given up. When the whistle cut the night and shook silence from my life, as the last train rolled towards the moon. And then we go to chorus. As the last train swung towards the moon. Summer nights when we were young, we drank our things we never known we would dream. Same strumming, all the dreamer. The you've brought us some innocence, on desert moon we were dreaming. All the dreamers on desert moon. Desert moon, on desert moon. Desert moon. Desert moon. And then after the chorus, So I explain some parts of the chorus. G I have or G6 I have already explained it. Okay, so we got to the ad-lib. The ad-lib is B minor, A, pause. Okay. On the shoot, on the shoot moon. Two measures, one measure, pause, and then back to the intro. Same, do the intro, same, and then, but for the last, for the second part, and then A, two measures. I still can hear the whisper of the summer night, and echoes in the corners of my mind. The night we stood and waited for the desert train. All the words we meant to say, all the chances slipped away, still remain on the road to the deep. Okay, that's our what do you call this, bridge? After that, the bridge. Okay, same strumming, and then we go to we repeat the first three line after the bridge. We repeat the first three lines of chorus, okay, and then we add the last stanza. Okay, let's play it. Those summer nights when we were young, we brought up things that never done. We were dreaming, only dreaming, and moments passed and times moved on. The dreams we made were just as long as this dream. Desert moon, desert moon, desert moon, desert moon. And then the ad-lib is G6 and D four times. Okay, that's four times. So that's it. Now we go. Now our next song. Anyway, you got your tab for the intro. Okay, just don't remember the strumming pattern: down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Or you can play down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. It's up to you. It's both acceptable. Okay, our next lesson will be longer than by Dan Fagelberg. Okay, I play the intro first. Okay, just don't forget to click the notification bell. And please like, share, and those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's very easy to subscribe, just one click. Okay, so have a good day. Have a good rainy day.